Hello guys, and welcome to another episode of CLS at Home. Today we are going to be learning how to make guacamole. Now guacamole at its most simple, all you really would need is 1 to 2 avocados, salt, pepper, and a fork to mash it with. But I want to spice it up a little. So for this lesson today, what you'll need is 1 to 2 avocados, 1 to 2 garlic cloves, a bowl, an onion, a spoon and a fork, a knife that you or an adult that's with you is comfortable using, salt and pepper, and some hot sauce. So let's get started. First, let's peel the garlic cloves. So once you choose whether you want 1 or 2, the easiest way to do this, and please have an adult supervise you during this process as we are using knives, is to peel a garlic clove. You want to put the knife flat like this, and you just want to press down. It will smash, and you will be able to peel off the skin of the garlic clove. Then you just play this game. So there's one done. Get the second one. Do the same thing. Lay the knife flat just like this. Push down. Get an adult if you don't have enough strength to do that. And it will be nice and smushed and the peel will come off. And the next part, we will want to mince the garlic. There's 2 ways to do this. One is with a Cuisinart if you have it, or a blender, or you can do it this way. So to do this, you'll want to put your fingers down like that, and you're going to want to cut away from you. Small little cuts. And then to mince it, like a seesaw, you're going to do this. Again, please have an adult if you don't feel comfortable doing this. And you're just going to go up and down. And we'll make it nice and small. The knife's not going to move. You're just going to lift up and down with the handle and move side to side. Push the garlic close. So see how that garlic's all nice and minced? There you go. And then you will scoop it up or lift up the cutting board, find your bowl, and just go like that. So you have the garlic in there. Next, we will do the avocados. So what I do with these avocados is I find this little root part, I take a knife and I just sort of saw back and forth, and you move the avocado around. Again, please have an adult present or ask for help if you do not feel comfortable doing this. Then you find the pit. You can do it one of 2 ways. The fun messy way, but is you can use your fingers. So let's do that with the next one. So saw back and forth, and then just move the avocado around. Again, please have an adult present. Twist. There you go. And then the second way is, and please have an adult do this, you can go like that with the knife. Oop, and it broke. So then we can do the fun way. And if that happens, you just clear off the guacamole. Cooking is a very messy process at times. And then you just take your spoon, put it in, And you scoop out the avocado. Sometimes the spoon will go through the skin of the avocado, don't worry. Just keep trying to find that guacamole. Again, you put the spoon in, you just sort of scoop it out, just like ice cream. Okay, so now we have that. If you're messy like I am when you cook, you probably will need to clean, so let's do that. Safely cleaned our knife and cutting board. Next we'll tackle the onion. So when you cut an onion, what you want to do is you want to cut it in half. You don't want to cut this off because that will release even more fumes and gases that will make you tear up. So again, you either ask the adult with you or to help. If you don't feel comfortable doing this, you're just going to want to cut it in half, just like that. Now, we aren't going to use the whole thing. That's a lot of onion, and we don't need to do that. To peel the onion, you want to find part of the skin, and you might peel off a layer. That's fine. Onions have many, many layers. And you're just going to want to go like this. Okay, and we have a nice clean onion. I personally like to cut off the tip of this, just like that. And then you're gonna put as much onion as you want. Some people are very sensitive to onions, but so let's get a few slices. You're gonna want thin slices, just like that. All right. And then you're gonna wanna chop it up. Again, you want your fingers to be tucked, so that way you don't cut yourself. You're just gonna go like that, pushing the knife away from you. And then you're going to use that same tactic. You're going to have one hand flat on top, and you're just going to lift like this. Get those onion bits nice and small, or as they say, minced. Okay. Then once we're done, we're going to find your bowl. And you're just going to push the chopped up or minced onions into the bowl. Now, time for the more fun parts of this. You'll want to salt and pepper for some flavor. Again, this is to taste or to how you would like it. So I generally give it a nice little sprinkle. I like a lot of flavor in mine. And then you're going to mash, and have some tasting spoons ready once you're mashed. Probably should have used a smaller bowl, but that's okay. If you have a potato masher that's small, you can actually use that. And this is a very simplified recipe. As I said at the beginning, technically, all you need for guacamole is avocado and maybe some salt and pepper. You mash it up. This is just if you want more flavor, and these can get even more complicated as we go. So once you think you have it decently mashed, get your tasting spoon and just try a little bit. See if you like it. Almost there. I've got 1 to 2 more twists of salt and pepper. Again, you want it a nice, nice and mashed up, but still you get little chunks of avocado. So, this is looking pretty good to me. Now let's try it. All right, let's get our chips ready. Oh, and if you want, of course, we can add some hot sauce in it. You know, do how much ever you'd like, and you just sort of mix it in. So guys, that is how you make guacamole. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to this channel, as the Hershey CLS staff will continue to be making videos on different things that you can do while at home. Have a good day.